From stories to success. All these things we talked about has to translate in real use cases, real people, real results, real transformation. And we are building those. We're still in the beginning of the journey, so we have much more to do, but we already start to see some very exciting early results. So first, we try to address the gap between learning and earning. We talked about the traditional education promises that sometimes fails to deliver employment, and that leads to graduates that are underprepared, industry that faces labor shortages, and that's what we are trying to bridge that gap. So, stories that matters. Proof through people, not projections. So the idea is to use this strategy to inspire trust, to inspire other people to do this, whether it's people that already are in the workforce or students that are about to enter the workforce. So the idea is to go from low wages to thriving career to stronger income. So we've seen, for example, statistics for enterprise impact with Fortune 500 that translates to theoretically up to, for example, this is an example we did for a study for one of our customers, which generated $35 million annual benefits. So this was translating productivity, less defects, faster training, manufacturing, healthcare. We saw benefits outcomes many-fold, including patient satisfaction, which is almost difficult to put a price on. We also saw some entrepreneurial breakthroughs, increased business launch rate, right? Higher survival after 24 months, whether it's AgriTech firms or whether it's GreenTech technology or even EdTech founders. Now, this doesn't impact only individuals or organizations, it impacts the whole community, right? So, for example, we have seen a rural workforce program where unemployment rates have dropped, right? This is very interesting for local governments, that we connect the education with the training center. Long-term impact of this solution is, if you look at it over several years, of course you get career progression, you build savings and investments for individuals, you achieve home ownership, which is the American dream, and I guess a global dream. You invest in children's education. So you get a future that is positive and conducive. Now let's talk about global diversity. So we believe in the global south. In fact, most of the youth, currently 80% of the youth is in the global south. So we focus a lot on these demographics, whether it's Aisha, that goes from a clerk to be a telehealth coordinator, or James from manufacturing data science, or you can work in the corporate world. So the platform feature driving success. What we mean by that, why it works, is, of course, immersive learning is proven as a way to help you. It's very much similar like a pilot that has to do an emergency landing. We have the AI career pathways with personalized plan. And we have also the real world applications. So the idea is to transform individuals, enterprise, and regions, and we encourage you, whether you're government, academic institution, or enterprise, to contact us today to do a demo and discuss how we can proceed with such a partnership.